In this video, we're going to learn how to find the exact values of trigonometric expressions. Suppose I have the expression cosine 45 degrees plus sine of 90 degrees. My first job is to evaluate each trigonometric function individually. Let's consider the unit circle and our first angle of 45 degrees. The coordinate points at 45 degrees are square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2. Since I'm working with the unit circle, I know that it has a radius of 1. Cosine can be found by x over r. Since r is 1, we can say that cosine is simply the value of x. In other words, square root 2 over 2. So cosine 45 degrees equals square root 2 over 2. Now let's consider a 90-degree angle. The coordinate points for a 90-degree angle are 0 and 1. Sine of theta equals y, which in this case is equal to 1. So, sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1. Now we know that the sum of cosine of 45 plus sine of 90 is equal to square root 2 over 2 plus 1. We can say that that's equivalent to square root 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2, since we need to find the common denominator. And this is equivalent to 2 plus square root 2 over 2. Let's take a look at another example. Suppose I want to find the exact value of cosecant of 60 degrees, cotangent 30 degrees. Let's consider our unit circle and the points for an angle of 60 degrees. A 60-degree angle has coordinate points 1/2 square root 3 over 2. Sorry, I had to pause my video for a second. Cosecant of 60 degrees has coordinate points 1/2 square root 3 over 2. And in the unit circle, cosecant is defined as 1 over y. So for an angle of 60 degrees, that's 1 divided by square root 3 over 2. We can simplify by multiplying 1 by the reciprocal of square root 3 over 2. 1 times 2 over square root of 3. That gives us 2 over square root of 3. Now, because we never want to leave a radical in the denominator of a fraction, we'll rationalize the denominator. In other words, we'll multiply both numerator and denominator of 2 over square root of 3 by square root of 3. This gives us 2 square root of 3 over 3, And so that is the value of cosecant of 60 degrees. Now let's look at cotangent of 30 degrees. Cotangent is defined as x over y. Our coordinate points for a 30-degree angle are square root 3 over 2 and 1/2. So in our case, for a 30-degree angle, cotangent is equal to square root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. If we multiply by the reciprocal, square root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, we can cross cancel the 2, and we're left with square root of 3. So cotangent of 30 degrees is equal to the square root of 3. So now, because our original problem asked us to multiply cosecant of 60 degrees by cotangent of 30 degrees, we'll multiply 2 square root 3 over 3 by the square root of 3, the square root of 3 over 3 times square root of 3. This gives us 2 times 3 over 3, which equals 6 over 3, which equals 2. So cosecant of 60 degrees times cotangent of 30 degrees is equal to 2. I hope you found that these examples helpful. See you next time.